it's Thursday again, and we're doing another video featuring a couple different items. And obviously, with Father's Day right around the corner and my Father's Day special that I'm running, I am going to feature a few of the Father's Day, or a few of the items we've gotten Kurt. So let's start with this top. This top is a crop top. I don't know. What do y'all think? Should 40-year-old women be wearing crop tops? Y'all can vote on that later. But it is super airy, a little bit see-through, as you can see, that you can kind of see the outline of the bra. Super, super, super soft and comfy. I mean, it's just really, really, really comfy. I don't even feel like I have something on. It cute little black drawstring, adorable little hood. Yes, no, okay, just kidding. Anyway, I am going to show you the back of it with the hood, and it comes down here. While we're on the subject of my outfit, we're going to talk about the Luxe leggings. I can't talk today. They just released these in a beautiful blue color yesterday on New Release Wednesday, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Everybody has told me I needed to get a pair. It's kind of a long-standing joke that my mom calls these the Paula Deen leggings, because if Paula Deen mixed up some butter and some fabric, she'd make these leggings. So I'm going to give you a little highlight. The pocket is a little bit different. The seam is a little bit different. It has a different angle here. You can see that I can get my hand all the way up this far into my hand, into my arm. And if you want to look across, so that seam off the pocket comes up and it comes around the hiney, and it shapes a little bit different. So this is not the shape you'll see on the light and tights. There's also a different seam here that's a little different than the light and tights. The light and tights kind of go more down the center of the leg. This one kind of comes down. This one here's on the center, but this one's got a little bit of a different line to it. These are definitely soft. They're definitely, I would call them thicker. I would call them warmer than the light and tights. And I'll show you the waist. I don't feel like these are, they call them high rise, but I'm going to be honest with you. I don't feel like these are the same as my high rises. My traditional light and tights. My light and tights definitely don't show my belly button. So I'm going to call these somewhere between a mid-rise and a high-rise. You can see that where they hit me in the back and where they hit me in the front. But I would not call these a high-rise. I will also tell you that if you want to wear these in a compression, that you should wear these with a size down. I ordered these in a 2, which I normally wear a size 4. So if you want these to have some compression and feel a little bit more like a light and tight, then you need to size down. And I did do that. Some people even size down 2 in these. I think that they're more of a Sunday fun day pant, and I want to wear them more for comfy. So I definitely only size down 1. Now we're going to do a little transition to the men's line, and I'm going to share with you a few things that we've gotten Kurt. It's definitely quality. I'll tell you, we kind of have a standing joke around the house that Kurt's been more of the Lulu person in the house than I was, and he loved him some Lulu shorts. So he's definitely excited about the Zaya shorts, and more importantly with Kurt, because he's a value guy, that he likes the value and the price point. So these are great shorts. He's been wearing these ones for quite a while to the gym. I don't know if you can zoom in on this and see this, but these have some precision laser cutting going down the middle for some airflow. They go all the way down through the middle, and that's just some airflow in there. These are the navy camo athletic, and they also come with the built-in liners. So that's a nice feature as well. So they've got pockets. They've got pockets here, and the pockets zip. So you can actually throw your keys or your phone in for a run and not lose them. Both sides have a pocket that zips, and they also come with a drawstring. So these ones are the ones he wears to the gym a lot, and he really likes these. The next thing on the list is these. I believe these are the chino. Oh, these are the chino. I was going to call these the wrong name. These are the chino. I want you to zoom in and look at the detail in the material. The cut in the design in that is just gorgeous. The feel is really amazing. These are going to be a flat front pant. The pockets on these angle down a little bit. They're not made right off the side seams, so these angle down a little bit. They do have 2 little additional pockets in the back. These are gonna be fantastic for traveling, the golf course. These are really, really comfy, really soft material. These are classy. I mean, I feel like these are just ideal for somebody going golfing, because if you look in there really close, I feel like you can see. Can you see through there how much air there's coming through there? With that precision, I think it is these are gonna be fantastic. Don't tell him, these are his Father's Day gift. These are the travel pants. These are the ones I was gonna tell you the wrong name. These are more of a dress pant. They look like a traditional pair of pants that you could wear to the office. They each have a pocket in the back. This has again a zipper down here coming at an angle rather than also straight off the seam. There's another little side pocket there. I mean, you can get your whole hand in there, so I don't know, I guess if that's to hide your keys or something for the day. Only one side pocket, but these, I love the, look at the little moon on the button. Isn't that cute? So this is a wider legged pant as well. It's not as narrow of a legged pant. And then I did just see this. Look at there is a seam running across the back of the leg, but not across the front. So these are the travelers. These are a little bit thicker than those. I would say that these are gonna pack up really well. You're not gonna have to worry about ironing on those. They're just really nice. So these are our versatility shorts. Carson's bagging me for a pair of these. These come in a black, a turquoise, a camo, and oh, what's the 4th color? Maybe white? I can't remember. There's 4 colors. I think it's white. But I was gonna highlight, so I know Kurt does a lot of squats and a lot of kettlebells and stuff, so this extra high seam right here, it doesn't look that high, but because of the way they've overlapped the fabric, but that is gonna work really well at the gym if you're a really active person at a box or something throwing heavy weights around. There is also some more precision cutting, some laser cutting right here in the leg, another little air feature. This is considerably thinner fabric than the blue ones that I showed you earlier. These do not have a lining on the inside, but they do come with 2 pockets, and these are good sized pockets, and a drawstring. But these are really soft, and these are gonna be really great for our heat down here. This is the split tee, and the reason why they call this one the tee is, can't hang on to it, is the tee is split right over here on the hip. Really soft fabric. It reminds me a lot of the, oh, guess what? We're babysitting a dog. You wanna show me Sparky? Hey, Sparks. Hi, baby. You gonna make your video debut? We're babysitting Sparky this week. So this is the split right here. So the back is just a little bit longer than the front, and there's a little bit of a slit right there. This reminds me a lot of the tee that I have in the classic go-to tee. The fabric feels very, very similar. It has a nice texture, nice thickness, really soft. And if you want to look here, it has a narrower rib around the neck. It's not a real thick ribbed piping around the neck, so that's a really soft shirt. You can just wear that any day of the week. And then we got Daddy, like kind of a rain jacket, I guess. It's not a rain jacket, and it's not called a rain jacket. It's called the all-around hoodie jacket. But this fabric feels like it could be water resistant, and if nothing else, definitely repels water. It's that way here, but on the inside it's this way, so it's water resistant here, but the gray is the water resistant on the inside. So this jacket is, I think, gonna come in really handy for fall and maybe even winter, because we just don't have that horrible winter. But I'm gonna try it on. This is a men's extra large. It's obviously too big for me, but it is a really nice texture and a really nice thickness for